If your air conditioner seems like it never shuts off, it may not be running as efficiently as it can be. Most people think air conditioners make cold. They don't. They merely extract heat from inside the building and dump it to outside, leaving cold. Heat transfers from inside the building through these refrigerant lines to this outdoor unit called a condenser. Now, air from outside comes across the coils of the condenser, picking up heat and dumping it to outside. But the condenser is not going to work if the coils are this clogged. Now, these fins are really delicate and closely spaced together, so you've got to be really careful when you're trying to clean them. Use a shop vac with a brush and carefully try to remove that foreign matter without damaging the fins. Now, with the coil cleaned, the outdoor unit will work a lot better, but the condenser is only half of an air conditioning system. It's important to keep the outdoor coil clean, but also there's a coil indoors, and that has to remain clean. If either one of them are clogged, the system is out of balance. So indoor air comes back from the building here, comes across a filter, up across a coil right here. Now, to keep this coil clean, this filter is critically important. So you pull this out, and this should be absolutely clean, and that isn't. Now, you could vacuum these, but you also can get them as replacement filters that are generally labeled with its inches, 16 by 25 by 1 inch thick. At the home center, you get a new one and slide it in. You cannot change this filter enough. If you were air, which would you want to pass through? This one or this one? Keep that airflow moving both inside and out, and it'll keep you cool.